What is going on? Hi Frankie friends, this is Frankie and Julian. We did another very special video, and this is, oh my goodness, I've never said on anything that would sound this good. Ducati Diavel V4. This is an orthodox rebel without a clue segment, because I have completely no clue what this bike is about in terms of specifications and numbers. I only know what I felt this bike should be when I saw it, and it already now tells me that this will be a surprise. Because when you see this when you see this robust body, you're, oh my god, you're expecting a cruiser, a heavy cruiser, but already now I can tell this feels super nimble. The looks completely don't match the riding experience. Wow, this is super impressive. As I said, I have no idea what this bike is in terms of numbers, but what I can feel right away is I'm sitting on a lot of power. A lot of power. Oh my god. And the power is delivered already in the low revs, which is very nice. God, this is the best fucking sound I've ever heard. This is wild. This is absolutely wild. So on the outside it looks beautiful. It is an eye candy, but it looks very robust and massive and heavy. But sitting on the bike, I'm surprised by how compact it actually feels. There's nothing in the front. It feels like a sporty naked bike. My riding position is super relaxed. The only thing that actually suggests that this is really a cruiser are the foot pegs, because they're placed really in the front in a very comfortable position. But other than that, the handlebar isn't as wide as I would expect. It really has a very sporty feel to it. I love the torque delivery on this one. This is more exciting than the Panigale. Whoa! And the noise it makes every time I shift. Mikey's having a time of his life on a Panigale V4 S. Of course he is. But man, oh god, I'm just super surprised by this bike's performance. Well, the Diavel, I would say already now you have to ride this motorcycle to understand what I'm feeling right now. It is impossible to describe, really. And my brain still can't connect the dots when I think about what a bike looks like, what it indicates when you first sit on it, and then how your whole perception changes the second it starts moving. They put Akrapovic on this one, so it is not stock sound, And thank you very much Ducati for doing that, because this is like the sound itself is experience on its own. I mean, in terms of weight, you can feel this bike must be heavy, but the engine is crazy, and the way it delivers power and torque, and the way it handles, come on. This thing kicks. Oh, and you need earplugs. You need earplugs for this one. Wow, how it handles. This is crazy. Wow, still need to get used to the foot pegs. Nice. Ah. This is a sporty macho hidden in a cruiser body with absolute style and beauty. Oh shit. On the Panigale V2 I said it was confidence inspiring. This one demands respect. This one is scary good. Scary good. Oh shit. Whew. I need to compose myself. I need to do some shots of this beautiful thing and then continue. Okay, surprise, surprise. We're switching bikes. Mikey insisted that I have to try this. Well, I wouldn't argue with my friend, right?